Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the engine computer, also known as ECU, DME or ECM on Mercedes GLC 3rd generation. Please guys, do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics. If you have problems with the engine computer, we'll talk about the fuses relays, and after that, if you have problems with it, how you can fix it cheaply without programming a new computer and all that stuff. And if you guys after that need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The engine computer fuses relays guys come to show you where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on this generation Mercedes GLC. We will be working guys in multiple fuse boxes, up to 3 of them today. The first one, it's on the passenger side. Open the passenger door. In the passenger side footwell compartment, on the side of the A pillar here, you have a cover. Remove that cover. Behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Here guys, specifically what we need to check, we're talking about fuse number 315. You see that fuse right here, that's the one that you will guys need to check. Next, we need to go ahead and open the hood. Under the hood, we'll be working 2 fuse boxes. The first one is right here on the driver's side. Open that cover. Underneath, you'll find a fuse box. And when you open it, it looks like this one here. Now, what we guys need to check here specifically, okay, we're talking about fuse 122, right here. That fuse will need to be checked. 126, over here. You need to check relay G. Right there, and you have a hidden relay J right here. You can see the white relay. Okay, you have 2 of them. This is J, this is O. You need to check that one here. Now we're not done, we're still under the hood, but where? Okay, you see where the positive jump starter terminal is? Okay, let me open a picture of it. This is the top of it, but that's actually a built-in Prefuse box. And guys, okay, I want to show you about that Prefuse box, the back side, that's what it looks like. And if you open it, it will look something similar to this one here. It will have multiple fuses inside. Depending on the year and model, you may have 2 different designs. Okay, this is one of them. If you have that design, check fuse number 3, but also test all the fuses here as well. And if you have the other design, you need to check fuse number 5. Again, test all of them. You don't have relays, but you may want to check the interior prefuse box fuses and as well. If you want to see where the interior prefuse box is located, we'll have the video on the channel. But guys, you have only those fuses known as relay fuses that you need to check if you still have problems with the computer. Guys, you may want to check, usually what we do, find a seller on eBay that repairs computers, we take it off, send it, they fix it, ship it back to us, plug and play, start the car, no programming, and saves you thousands of dollars in repairs that way. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have two different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.